communication. Before, what is server communication, how to write the logic, why I need to write this logic? Guys, please tell me why I need to write this logic. Why I need to write server communication logic in the Angular project? So observe, Angular runs in your browser or not? Angular runs in your browser because it is a JavaScript framework. Obviously, it will run in your browser. So this is my browser. Now observe, from the UI, request always will go to what program? Server program. From the UI, request always will go to the server program. Server program. Now observe, I am able to send the request to the server program, but actually server program internally communicate with what's a database. The reason for this one is very simple. The reason for this one is very simple. All the application data is available in where, sir? Database. All the application data is available in the database. Now I am asking the question. Observe, all of you registered in the Zoom. All of you registered in the Zoom. Now in the Zoom, they provided one UI and the form. You fill the form. All the form details will go to the Zoom server program. Server program internally store the details into the database. Now tell me, all of you registered for my class. What is the class name, sir? RK class. Now I am asking the question. Such a technologies need to identify who are registered for the RK class or not. Such a technologies management user need to have the idea about what, sir? Who are registered for RK sir class. Now tell me, what is the Zoom web application provide? They create one UI, means one HTML web page. In this web page, they provide what's a one button. Once the button click, request will go to what program? Server program. Server program communicate with what's a database, and database give the results to the server program. Server program finally give the database give the details to the UI. UI display all the results registered for all the users registered for my class. That is the usual flow. Or directly such a technologies have the database access. Through UI, you are able to communicate with the database, or direct database access. Through UI or direct database access. Which one is good? Most of you agree with that. What is the one, sir? Through UI. UI is good. Why, sir? Why database access is bad? I also paid for the Zoom application. Can I? Why I can't have database access? Why I cannot have database access? User don't know knowledge, and user don't know. I agree with that, Pradhan, but I have the SQL knowledge also. Can I ask the Zoom, please provide me the database access? I can get the thing. They will provide. Very good. What is the they don't provide, sir? They will restrict. Why? Because in the database only such a technologies users are registered, all the such a technologies users are there, or other customer information also there, other customer information. So now tell me, can I give one customer details to the another customer? Do you agree with that? Suppose I am the I am a ABC Technologies. I am asking the Zoom, please provide such a technologies all the registered users details. If the Zoom provide those details, if the Zoom provide those details, such a technologies can legally proceed, and they are going to register a complaint. At that time, Zoom need to pay at least 2 to 4 million euros. 2 to 4 million euros. Guys, this kind of things are there. GPRC, global public registered data or something, there are restrictions are there. Recently I did some restrictions related to the Europe. So now I'm asking, can I give the database access directly? Most of you tell the correct thing. Because of the security reasons, we cannot give the database access directly. So any data we want to access from the database, always through the right way. What is the one, sir? Legal way means through server program, not with the other way. So how you are going to server program communicates with, sir? UI, by using the button click. So today's class is about how you are going to communicate with the server program, how you are going to communicate with the server program. So now the first step, in order to communicate with the server program, the first step is what, sir? Create what? Service. Create what's a service. So today's class is about this one, and tomorrow we are going to see the real world service related example. But today only we are going to learn about the server program related one. The first one, service. To communicate